Hello everyone, my name is WizFox, and I thought I'd demonstrate a little something for you today. I've been working on this program I call AutoTag, and as the description here says, it is a Java application for splitting up OSU map difficulties. This is a GitHub repository, so you can view all the source code for yourself, if you want. And according to the license I included, GPL, you can do pretty much whatever you want with this. And you can go to the release tab right here and download it right here, but I already have a folder set up for that. And because I'm on Windows, I can just double click it, but if you're on any other operating system, you would have to go to something like your terminal and type java-jar AutoTag. Yeah, it's a jar file right there. You get it, right? Alright, so we have this window right here, and there's a bunch of stuff we can do with, but I'll show you the menus right here. So there's this little information tab, and it tells you a few things: the build you're using, the version you're using, when this version was released, and if there are any new updates available, with a little button right here to check, just in case. And if you click this button right here, you can go back to the page I was just in to download it if you wish. There's this little settings menu right here where you can change the OSU directory. You can also disable checking for updates. So if I go back to the information menu, you can see update checking is disabled. You can't check, you can't go to download. So that's cool. And yeah, I'll show you why this part is important right here. So when we find a map, let me search for a tag 4 map. You'll see nothing's popping up, and that's not because this is broken. Because if I type something simple like A, you'll see there's a bunch of default maps here. And that is because the directory, so let me find one. The directory I'm using, I don't actually use this OSU directory. I have it installed on my secondary drive, which I will show off right here. I'll go to settings, and I'll change my OSU directory. So secondary disk, OSU, open, apply, go back. And if I type tag 4, you'll see some stuff pops up. Exactly what I want. So let's say I want to create one of Night of Nights. Let's do that. So I will split this according to new combos. I'll show you what object count does in a second. And I'll create 4 difficulties. Generate. It has been generated successfully. I will open the file, and you can see 4 files have been created. Let me open up OSU real quick, and I will show you what this looks like. Turn this down a bit. So, Night of Nights. And at first glance, nothing weird has happened, but I just need to refresh the headers. So just press F5. And that is not what I wanted to insert. Okay, there we go. As you can see, some new files have been created according to which player should be doing which tag combo. If you know how tag works, then I didn't say it was good at this game, but you can pretty much see that is working as intended. And if I want, I can hit this clean button right here, and that'll delete all of the newly created files, as you can see there. And this was done from our previous demonstration, so I'll clean those as well. And if I search tag 4 again, you'll see those don't show up anymore, which is good. And you can have any number of difficulties, and you can do tag 2 maps, tag 8 maps, you can do whatever you want. So let me search for another map. Let me search for the Empress, which is sort of like a visual demonstration. And here it is right here. So let me split this according to object count, and let's create, let's do 50 difficulties. No, let's do 30 difficulties for every 2 objects. Sounds good? And let us generate. Alright, good. Open it up. You can see a bunch of new difficulties have been created. And let's open up OSU again. Again, let me just refresh the map headers. You see a bunch of difficulties pop up, and I will show you what this looks like. So essentially every two objects is placed Every two objects are placed in a new difficulty, and you can like read the files if you want to show what's really going on, but yeah, that is essentially AutoTag. And there's a few other menus right here. You can go to the GitHub repository via that. You can go to the help wiki, where I will put this video in a second. And you can report a bug in case you find something weird happening. So that is essentially AutoTag. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.